Hi guys, I've got the brand new GoPro Hero 11 Black. After trying a few weeks using this camera with different setup, I finally found the best setup without needing to do a lot of editing process anymore. Okay, 5 must do before we start. Swipe down, swipe right, press video mode, choose the highest quality. Set control to Pro to unlock all settings we want to do. Turn off wireless connection so you can conserve the battery. Turn it on if you want to control GoPro using your phone. Turn off the GPS too, so you can conserve the battery for always try to find satellite. Display orientation set to landscape, so it doesn't always change orientation automatically. Now, we start set up the best setting for the best no edit video you can get with GoPro Hero 11. Use 16:9 aspect ratio, 5.3K resolution, and 60 FPS. For lens settings, I use linear plus horizon leveling. Linear mode eliminates the fisheye effect distortion. Horizon leveling gives the footage more cinematic feel. HyperSmooth using auto boost for maximum stabilization with minimal cropping. Turn on the 10 bits for more color depth. Greatly reduce posterization effect and color bending. Change bitrate to high. Because we use 5.3K resolution, so it's important to use high bitrate to get the highest video quality. Set EVCOM to -0.5 to avoid overexposure when the light is too excessive. White balance set to 5000K to avoid sudden color change. Why setting your white balance manually can be very important? Because when the environment changes, like the sun suddenly goes behind the cloud, the auto white balance will be changed too. Your video will be messed up, especially when do hyperlapse. Set ISO min 100 and ISO max 800. Change sharpness to low. Why? Because medium and high sharpness will make horrible edge sharpening artifacts and will make the file size bigger. If you want a bit more sharpness, it's better to add that in editing software. You have got much more control over things. Change color to vibrant. I have tried natural setting, but still need color grading. Vibrant is the best if you want a nice blue sky and more vivid color. That is my version of the best setting for GoPro Hero 11. Because the footage color, stabilization, and fisheye distortion is already processed in the camera, you just need to focus on cut and split, then your video is ready to upload in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you think this video is helpful. See ya!